Dear students, we are going to learn our subject electronic devices and circuits with the innovative practice that is called as the flipped classroom. Using the flipped classroom technology or methodology, we are going to learn the topic in our subject. First, let us understand what is the difference between traditional classroom and a flipped classroom. In the traditional classroom, learning will happen inside the class. Doing activities will be done at your home or your hostel facilities and other things. But in flipped classroom, learning will happen out of the classroom. But doing activities, solving problems, thinking abilities, so many things will happen in the classroom. This is the difference between traditional classroom and flipped classroom. This flipped classroom is experimented in many subjects, and it is one of the successful teaching methodology to learn a particular concept. So having those all the advantages with the flipped classroom, we are going to adapt that methodology to our subject electronic devices and circuits. In our particular subject, we are going to use this flipped classroom methodology for a specific topic. The- These are the details of the activity. In our subject, the activity, what we are going to do, that is flipped classroom in our subject for a topic of types and working of rectifiers. So this is the topic we are going to learn with the help of flipped classroom methodology. So, students, you please understand this will be the topic types and working of rectifiers. Now, what is the expected outcome of this flipped classroom activity after learning the concept types and working of rectifiers? The outcome is at the end of this activity, students will be able to evaluate the performance of the given rectifier. So, if I give any kind of rectifier, you should be able to evaluate its performance. That is the outcome of this activity. Now, to achieve this activity, I want to tell you that the learning materials which are corresponding to the types and working of rectifiers will be shared in the learning management system that is we are using in our subject. That's Canvas platform will be the LMS for our subject, and all the learning materials will be shared in the LMS, and this activity will be started today and it will be ended in the next week. So it will be 1 week activity. Now in the flipped classroom methodology, at the end of this methodology, I will conduct one activity. It will be a group activity. Using the group activity, I will measure the expected outcome. Whether you are able to evaluate the performance of the rectifier or not will be assessed with the help of the group activity. This is the detail and the progress of our flipped classroom methodology for the topic of types and working of rectifiers. Now, how this activity is scheduled, you can see the video. Now, the announcement of activity is on today. Today, I am announcing that for the topic of types and working of rectifiers, we are going to use scripted classroom methodology. So, today itself, I will share all the learning materials related with the topic in the learning management system. As I said earlier, in Canvas platform, it will be shared. Now, to see the effectiveness of the learning material which I have shared in the canvas, I am going to conduct two different short online quiz. One online quiz will be scheduled on 29th and another online quiz will be scheduled on 30th of this same month. These two quizzes will be conducted in Canvas platform itself. This Through this quiz, I will identify that whether the shared materials are useful or not. Also, if you want to have or if you want to use any other learning material, you can ask me so that I will share the relevant materials further. Now, on 4th of October, I will conduct two different activities. The first activity is the individual activity that will be conducted inside the class, and the second activity will be group activity. In the individual activity, it will be a quiz using the Mentimeter platform. It will be conducted. Every one of you should bring mobile phone for the class. I will be conducting the quiz using the Mentimeter platform so that individual assessment will take place with the help of this. And I will conduct one more activity, which is group activity. I will form the group based on the volunteer manner, and after forming the group, each group has to solve some problems. I will give you the problems also. So this group activity will be conducted on 4th of October. And after conducting this activity, I will collect the feedback from you. Based on the feedback, if anything needs to be improved, that will be improved, or if anything positive if you mention, it will be continued in future flipped classroom methodology also. Now, coming to the learning materials which I will share in the Canvas platform, we can classify into three types. First type, for reading, I will upload textbooks. The textbooks are in PDF format that will be shared. You have to refer the PDF document. This will be from the textbook, so you can understand what is the type and how each type of rectifier will be using. So those who are learning using the reading material, you can use textbook, and I will share the materials related with the nptel videos link also. If you are willing to, or if you like to watch videos to learn a particular topic, you can use the videos from nptel platform. I have downloaded some videos. That videos are link for those videos will be uploaded in the Canvas platform itself, so you can watch the videos and you can understand the type and working of the rectifiers. At last, if you are able to understand the concept using a specific animation, I have simulated the circuits, and that simulated circuit is also uploaded in the Canvas platform in the form of animation. So using that also you can learn. So all these three form of learning materials will be helping you to understand the concept of types and working of the rectifiers. Now coming to the assessment part, I will conduct three different assessment. The first assessment is a short quiz. It is a formative assessment kind of assessment, so which will be used to check the usage of the study material or learning material which I have shared. Apart from that, I will conduct two different assessment. First type is MCQ type of quiz, which will be done in Mentimeter platform, as I said in the schedule. And one more thing, group activity will be conducted. In the group activity, do not think that you will be solving problem which is the age old problem. It will not be like that. I will not ask any question, or I will not give any question like define something or explain something or the conventional way. I will give you a real time situation. You have to solve it. I will give 25 to 30 minutes to solve the problem. So within the short span of time, your group should solve the problem, and at the end of the 25th minute or 30th minute, I will be asking one student from a group to present your solution, so that others will come to know it and everyone will know how to solve different kind of problems. So these are the things which I would like to share with the help of flipped classroom. So students, this is the first time we are utilizing the flipped classroom technique, so make use of it and try to learn to the maximum possible extent. If you have any doubt, you can use the discussion forum in the Canvas platform, or you can ask me personally, so that related with learning material, I will be clarifying all your doubts and I will be helping you to learn. And all those activities will only happening in the classroom. No learning will be happening in the classroom. So this is the way in which we are going to proceed. And all the best for using this flipped classroom methodology successfully. And I am eagerly waiting for your feedback after experimenting this flipped classroom methodology in our class. Thank you for your listening.